In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create quotation in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly how to build a clean, professional quote and send it to your customer in just a few clicks. First, from your Zoho Books dashboard, head over to the sales section on the left panel. This area is your home base for everything revenue related, and it's where estimates and quotes are managed. Inside sales, choose quotes. Quotes, sometimes called estimates, let you share pricing and terms before you raise an invoice, so you can track approvals and keep your pipeline organized. Next, start a fresh quote by selecting New. Zoho Books will open a quote form with your organization details already in place. If your account uses auto numbering, you'll see a quote number suggested for you. You can keep it or customize it to match your internal sequence. Choose the customer you're quoting. Use the search to find an existing contact. When you select the customer, Zoho Books automatically fills in their billing details, currency, and any tax preferences you've saved, helping ensure accuracy. Now, review or enter the quote number. Stick to a consistent format. Many teams use a prefix like Q or est followed by digits. Avoid duplicates to keep your records clean. Then, set the quote date. This reflects when you created the quote and helps with reporting and price validity. Right after that, add the expiry date. This tells your customer exactly how long the offer stands and helps you plan follow-ups if it's nearing expiration. Add the items you are offering. Search your product or service catalog, pick the correct item, and make sure the quantity is accurate. Rates and taxes usually populate from your item settings, but you can adjust them here if needed. If your organization allows discounts, you can apply them at the line level or overall. This is also a good moment to double-check currency, tax treatment, and any shipping charges. Consider using the customer notes or terms fields to clarify delivery timelines, warranty information, or payment terms, so everything your customer needs is on the document. When everything looks right, choose Save and Send. This saves the quote and opens the email window with a ready-to-send PDF. Give the email a quick review. Confirm the recipient address, subject, and message. Make any small edits to the wording so it matches your brand tone and clearly summarizes the offer. Finally, click Send. Your quote is now on its way, and the status will update to reflect that it's been sent. That's it. Your quotation is created and delivered, ready for your customer's approval.